Globally, 2.1 billion people lack access to safe drinking water. Water-related illnesses kill 2.2 million people each year, mostly children under 5 in developing countries. Many of these deaths can be prevented. Rollins College, through their Waterworks initiative, creates long-term solutions by providing safe drinking water to those without access. Over 18,000 families have already been helped in the Dominican Republic alone. Delta Sonic Car Wash will donate $25 for every new unlimited wash plan, up to $1 million to help support this safe drinking water initiative. Stop into any Delta Sonic Car Wash and try an unlimited plan today. It's easy, no contract, no commitment. Cancel anytime. Together, we can help communities around the world, one family at a time.